We need to feel you. Can we feel you? Do you want to feel her? Do you want to feel her? Make some noise for Aisha Yesufu!
DJ, what I do you now? I be with they breathe. They don't know the fear face. We don't answer. Some people not even they carry last. They go hear us. They go hear us. Who they breathe? Who they breathe? Greatest Nigerian people. Greatest Nigerian people. The greatest of 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 the greatest Nigerian people. We are citizens. We are not slaves. We are citizens. We are not slaves. For so long in this country, they have treated us as if we are not citizens. For so long, they have taken us for granted. For so long, they have done all the things they want to do without considering the people. And now the citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria are saying, enough is enough. Enough is enough. We will no longer take that where they treat us as if we are not human beings. They have turned us into people who, when we want to travel, will beg to reach there alive. They have made us, they have reduced us to people who are afraid of leaving their houses. We no longer go to our villages. We no longer travel. We no longer do the things that we used to do before. No to that. Insecurity is not a major problem. Yesterday's victims were once survivors. Today's victims were yesterday's survivors. And tomorrow's victims will be today's survivors. We have to ensure you are the structure. I am the structure. You are the structure. We are